Thanks so much for joining me today. My name is Soraya. I hope you enjoy the video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell. So whenever I work on a coaster set, I always do 4 at a time. This set is for the holiday season, and I love that red in contrast with the light blue, and that gold gives it that special sparkle. I decided to blow this out a little bit more since I didn't like that blob in the middle. The nozzle I'm using is fine tipped. You can check out my description area for the link to my Amazon shop. It's got a lot of similar ones there. In case you're wondering, these are 4-inch by 4-inch tiles. I lost too much of the gold, so I decided that I needed to add a little bit more. These are really a mini version of my large paintings. They really are works of art. Wow, I love this color combination. Look how striking it is. The gold, look at how it shines. It is beautiful. Really loving this one. Incredible. I'm gonna let them dry and I'll see you back here in just 1 second. And here they are, they dried beautifully. I couldn't be happier. Join my Facebook group called SorayaSilvestriArtist, Amazing Abstracts, Semi-Abstracts and Pours. The link is in the description area below.